पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा था डिस्टेंस डिस्प्लेसमेंट के बारे में हमने डिस्कशन किया था। आज हम स्पीड के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। तो फर्स्टली वी विल टॉक अबाउट द यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। यूनिफॉर्म मोशन पहले हम देखेंगे यूनिफॉर्म मोशन क्या होता है। सो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म मोशन इज इफ a body covers equal distances, if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, in equal intervals of time, then the motion is called uniform. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the motion is called uniform. Equal distances in equal intervals of time. Then the body is said to be in uniform motion. And distance time graph. Distance time graph of a uniform motion. Distance time graph of a uniform motion is a straight line. Is a straight line inclined to the time axis. Two things we have to keep in mind. Definition of uniform motion: if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the motion is called uniform. And second thing, distance time graph of a uniform motion is a straight line inclined to the time axis. So for drawing a graph of uniform motion, time axis always taken on x-axis. Time is always taken on x-axis. On x-axis time is taken and distance covered is taken on y-axis, and the graph of uniform motion is a straight line inclined to the time axis. Inclined to the time axis. So from this graph it is clear that body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Suppose we are taking few points on the graph. We are taking few points on the graph. Name it A, B, C, D and E. Suppose time interval is 0 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 20 second and 25 second. Time is given in second and distance is given in meter. And the distance is 5 meter, 10 meter, 15 meter, 20 meter and 25 meter. So it is clear from the graph that body covers 5 meter in 5 seconds, 10 meter in 10 seconds, 15 meter in 15 seconds, 20 meter in 20 seconds and 25 meter in 25 seconds. It means the body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, and such type of motion is called uniform motion. And the distance time graph of a uniform motion is a straight line inclined at certain angle to the time axis. Second is non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. What is the definition of non-uniform motion? If a body covers unequal distances, if a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, in equal intervals of time. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, then the motion is called, then the motion is called non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion means in non-uniform motion the time intervals would remain equal, but the distance covers would be unequal. Unequal distances in equal intervals of time in non-uniform motion. And a speed time graph, a speed time graph of a non-uniform motion. A speed time graph of a non-uniform motion is a curved line. Is a curved line. Is a curved line. So the graph of non-uniform motion, again time axis, time is taken on x-axis and distance, time in second and distance in meter. And the graph is like curve. The graph is curved. So suppose a body covers in uniform motion, if a body covers 5 meter in 5 seconds and 15 meter in next 10 seconds and 35 meter in next 5 seconds, means total 15 seconds. So here time intervals are equal, but the distances covered in such time intervals are unequal. So such type of motions are called non-uniform motion. The examples of the motion of a freely falling body is an example of non-uniform motion. The motion of a freely falling body. The motion of a freely falling body is an example of non-uniform motion. The motion of a freely falling body is an example of a non-uniform motion. In case of freely falling body, if a body is dropped from a certain height, then the position from where the ball is dropped, at that position the initial velocity is 0, and continuously when it is dropped, then continuously its velocity goes on increasing. Continuously its speed goes on increasing. So in that case, time in equal intervals of time, there is unequal distances covered. So the motion of a freely falling body is an example of non-uniform motion. Similarly, the motion of a train starting from the railway station. Second example, the motion of a train starting from a railway station. The motion of a train starting from a railway station is an example of non-uniform motion. The motion of a train starting from a railway station also is an example of non-uniform motion, क्योंकि जब रेलवे स्टेशन से ट्रेन स्टार्ट होती है तो शुरू के टाइम में लेस डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी, क्योंकि इसकी स्पीड स्लो है। जैसे जैसे उसकी स्पीड इंक्रीज करती जाएगी, डिस्टेंसेस कवर मैक्सिमम होता जाएगा। सो equal intervals of time, in equal intervals of time, the train covers unequal distances. So such type of motions are called non-uniform motion. Now we will talk about next physical quantity, and that is speed. Next physical quantity we will discuss about speed. So speed of a body gives us an idea. Speed of a body speed of a body gives us an idea how fast or slow the body is moving, how fast or slow the body is moving. स्पीड हमें ये आइडिया देता है कि कितनी स्लो या कितनी फास्ट बॉडी मूव कर रहा है। स्पीड ऑफ द बॉडी गिव्स अस एन आइडिया हाउ फास्ट और स्लो द बॉडी इज मूविंग। उसकी जो मूवमेंट है वो कितनी स्लो है या कितनी फास्ट है, ये आइडिया हमें स्पीड से मिलता है। एंड इट्स डेफिनेशन इज, it is defined as, it is defined as the ratio of, definition of speed, it is defined as the ratio of distance traveled. It is defined as the ratio of distance traveled to the time taken. Speed is defined as the ratio of distance traveled to the time taken, and speed is given by v equals to s by t. S is the distance traveled and t is the time taken. Here s is the distance traveled. Distance traveled by a body. V is the speed of a body. And t is the time taken. So speed is defined as distance upon time, where v is the speed, s is the distance, t is the time. Suppose a car. Suppose a car covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 4 hours. Suppose there is a car which covers a distance of 100 kilometers in 4 hours. So what is the speed in this case? So we use the formula. What is the speed? So we use the above formula for finding the speed. V equals to s by t. S is the distance traveled, and the distance traveled is 100 and time taken is 4 hours. So this is 25 kilometer per hour. 25 kilometer per hour. What is meant by 25? What is meant by the speed is 25 kilometer per hour? It means the body covers. It means the body travels 25 kilometer in each hour. हर एक घंटे में बॉडी 25 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करती है. एंड a smaller unit of speed, a smaller unit of speed is given by meter per second. Meter is the unit of distance and second is the unit of time, and the smaller value of speed is expressed in, this is the SI unit of speed, meter per second, and a smaller unit of speed is given by centimeter per second. The smaller unit of speed is centimeter per second, and high value of speed, high value of speed is expressed in kilometer per hour. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. The smaller unit of speed is centimeter per second, and the high value of speed is kilometer per hour. And speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity because just we have seen the formula for a speed equals to distance upon time, and we know that distance is a scalar quantity. Therefore, a speed is also a scalar quantity, and a speed of a running car, a speed of a running car, the speed of a running car at any instant of time. The speed of a running car at any instant of time is given by the instrument called a speedometer. The instrument which shows the speed of a running car at any instant of time. The instrument which gives the speed of a car, which shows the speed of a car, running car, at any instant of time, and that instrument is called a speedometer. So a speedometer is an instrument which gives us idea about the speed of a moving car, which is fixed in the car. The speedometer is fixed in the car and it gives the speed. It gives the speed in kilometer per hour. A speedometer shows the speed of a running car in terms of a speedometer. A speedometer gives the speed of a car in the unit of or in terms of kilometer per hour, and the distance covered by a car. The distance covered by a car is given by another instrument called odometer. Distance covered by a car is given by another instrument called odometer, and it gives the distance in kilometer. Odometer is an instrument which tells us about the distance covered by a car, and odometer gives the distance in kilometer, in terms of kilometer. So a speedometer measures the speed of a running car, and odometer measures the distance covered in kilometer. These are the two instruments which are installed in a car: a speedometer and odometer. A speedometer gives the speed in kilometer per hour, and odometer gives the distance covered in kilometer. Now we will talk about average speed. Average speed. So it is defined. It is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled. It is defined as the ratio of total distance traveled by a body to the total time taken, to the total time taken to cover this distance. So what is average speed? Average speed is the ratio of total distance travelled to the total time taken to cover this much distance, and average speed equals to total distance travelled. Average speed equals to total distance travelled by total time taken to cover this distance. Its unit is also meter per second. SI unit is meter per second. Now we will discuss about uniform speed. Uniform speed or constant speed. We will talk about uniform speed or constant speed. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, that is, the body is in uniform motion. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, means if the body is in uniform motion, then the speed of a body is called uniform speed. Then the speed of a body is called uniform speed or constant speed. If a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, means if the body is moving with uniform motion, if the body is moving with uniform motion, means it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, then the speed of a body is called uniform speed or